What's up guys, AV here again. So in this video we are gonna talk about abstraction in Java. Okay, so what is abstraction? Actually, abstraction is the data abstraction is actually hiding some details and only showing essential information to the user. Okay, let us suppose an email. If you are sending an email and you'll given the text, so you can give the text and you can also send the give the address and you can send. So it will provide you the functionality, right? The functionality to send the message or email to somebody else, but not, it will hide the implementation and details. So this is the abstraction method. Okay, so abstraction can only be achieved with either abstract classes or interfaces. Okay, so in the abstraction there is an abstract keyword, right? And the abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and methods. So in abstract class, it is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from the other classes. So if you have a class, then if you have to inherit it, you have to inherit from the other classes, right? That's the subclasses. So abstraction method can only be used in abstract classes, and it doesn't have any body. So abstract class doesn't have any, abstract method doesn't have any body. The body is provided in the subclass, the inherited form. An abstract class can have both the abstract and a regular methods as well. Okay, so and also the abstract class cannot be instantiated. So if you're talking about the rules of the abstract class, an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. It can have abstract as well as non-abstract methods. It cannot be instantiated. It can have final keywords. It can have constructors and static methods as well. Okay, so let us go into the example and you will know about it. So let us create an abstract class. Okay, so here abstract class, let's suppose it's an animal. Sorry, this is an animal class. Okay, and the abstract class doesn't have a body. So let us suppose like create an abstract method, right? So abstract, it should have abstract keyword and animal. For that we have to set it void animal, like a animal method. So it can be animal sound, right? And this is the method created, but it doesn't have a body, so we have to close just a semicolon, use of semicolon. Okay, and the this is the abstract method, and we also can create a regular method. Okay, method. So in the regular method we have public. So let us create a regular method that's void and sleep. So this sleep has a body because it's a regular method. So sut, and let us, right? So this sleep, this method has a body, and this abstract method doesn't have a body. Okay, and this cannot be instantiated. Like if you like try to instantiate an abstract class, let's suppose animal and my animal, and if you want to try to use new animal and do this, right, and it shows an error. You can see animal is abstract, cannot be instantiated. Okay, so this cannot be instantiated, so you need a subclass to instantiate okay, instantiated the animal abstract class. So let us create a subclass. Okay, so subclass that inherits from the animal. Okay, so let us have a class named pig, and that extends from animal. So this is a pig class created that extends from the animal. And let us create a, and it if you are creating a subclass, you always have to implement the abstract methods in the subclass always. So we have to implement the animal sound, right? And it can have body in here. So if you want to create an animal with the body of the pig says, right, says, so this body is implemented in the animal, right? So now we have the subclass. This is a subclass inherited from animal, and this is the abstract class. Okay, now in the main we have now instantiated the subclass so that we can use the all the methods and the properties. So let us instantiate a my pig subclass using new pig, right? So the pig is instantiated, and we can use my pig dot animal sound as well as my pig dot sleep. That is in the abstract. It's a regular method in the abstract. So if you run that code, you will see the pig says wee wee, and the this is the sleep method in the abstract class. So in this way you can use the abstract methods, and according to the rules we have done everything that is needed. So the rule was like an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. So abstract keyword is created, is has the abstract keyword in the abstract class, right? So it can have abstract and non-abstract methods. So there is abstract methods and there is a regular method as well, and it cannot be instantiated. We already did that, and it had an error. And it can have final keyword. So the final keyword, you can check it out in the docs. The final keywords are that can be used in the abstract method. It cannot, and also it can have constructors as well as static methods as well as. Okay, so this is the everything about you need to know about the abstract methods. uh, if you wanna give me some if you wanna ask me something, you can just comment and I'll give you the answer. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.